Hey everyone, welcome back. So I did a video on these nails before from Five and Below. I'm gonna give it another try. As you can see, I already busted this bad boy open and started looking at the nails that are inside. So you already know what we're gonna do. These are a little bit longer. These are the almond shape, I believe. Mini almond. So let's see how this one goes. Alrighty, so I sorted the nails, and look at this ghetto. So some of you already know I don't really like this brand like that, but I'm just trying to give them another try. So tell me why. Why did I only get one nail with the bedazzle, the jewels, whatever you call them on it? Just one. What am I supposed to do with that? And then two of them already fell off. This one is here because look at it. It's like a little bit jacked up. So this is just trash. And I'm not gonna waste this. I'm gonna snap the bedazzles off of this and reuse them. But these are the sets that I set aside for me to do my nails with. Honestly though, I love the color. Very nice lavender. The jewels look nice on these ends. I love that. Alrighty, so this is just a quick mini prep session. I'm just pushing back my cuticles and getting them nice and clean and ready for me to press these bad boys on. So this is just for you guys to see how I do my prep routine on one of my hands. Nothing too hard, very simple, quick prep steps. Alrighty, so now that my nails are all clean, I am ready to press them on. So I think I was trying to figure out what technique I wanted to do. If I wanted to do like one hand, each finger, go back and forth, such and such. But I just, whatever, stuck to my little thing and just making sure that these nails came out good. Because last time, it was a mess, but these are much better, simple, and cute. So we'll see. Alrighty, so I finished up this last nail and this is how they came out. I personally like it, more like love it. They look great. I love the color, you know, the style of them. It's really nice. This is not too bad. They tried me in the beginning, but I pulled through. And I have a whole nother set left that I can do another type of style with. So this brand is getting better, but it's still not the best. So, you know. But yeah, this is the final results. Thanks for watching and have a blessed one.